Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Angela Anderson, the #1 HR expert, and I am going to talk to you today about Halloween costumes, that is. So as an HR professional, there is a right way to wear a costume and there's definitely a wrong way to wear a costume. So I will show you some variations of costumes that are out there in the market today that are very, very risque. And those are the ones that you don't want to wear to the costume party at work. The ones that people will be looking at you like, why that is not appropriate at work, and you probably be sent home. So I just want you guys to know that there is a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. So go ahead and grab your popcorn because we're in for it. I'm gonna tell you guys some things that I've seen in this marketing campaigns out there that's trying to promote these risque outfits. So please don't wear these to work. I'm just telling you, for the love of God, please do not wear these costumes to work. There was like one or two that I'm gonna show that are appropriate, that I think that you could wear. But most of them, honey, do not show up at work because you'll be sent to HR and sent home. Your supervisor is not having it. So there are some that are cute though, that are like for men and women can dress alike, but they're a little risky still. The women's outfits are skimpy, revealing, and so we want to stay away from those when coming to work. Remember, work is still a professional setting and you have to be professional. So get your popcorn. I'm telling you, get your popcorn out. I'm gonna show you these costumes. I mean, you guys are gonna be like, whoa, for real. Like, why would they wear those to work? But I've had to send some people home just because they thought it was appropriate. Skimpy, like, go put your clothes on. You are not going to bed. This is not the place to wear lingerie to work. So do not do it. I'm just telling you. From an HR standpoint, it's not flying. It really is not. So please, please don't do this. Don't do this. This one might be okay, but there are ways to get sent home immediately. And these are the ones. Let's go through them. This right here. Woo-wee. And this one here. Where are you going with that? Where are you going with that? Absolutely not. So I'm just giving you the heads up. Halloween, happy Halloween to everybody. 2024, but believe me, do not come with these risky outfits at work. You don't want to be sent home. You don't want to end up in the principal's office, which is quote unquote HR, or be sent to the police, which is quote unquote HR. So I just want to let you guys know, please keep those risky outfits for your parties at home. You going to the club, keep those outfits there because they don't belong here. Okay, they not in a workplace environment. I don't care if you're in warehouse, distribution, manufacturing, wherever you are, they don't belong. Tech, definitely not tech. No. Just don't try it. Okay. So I hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them here. But yeah, this was a doozy. I don't know how people do it. Leave a comment. Let me know. Have you seen all this risky stuff out there on Halloween? What have you experienced? Let me know. I want to know. Leave comments, please. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that ring bell so you can know when I post. The month of October, you will be seeing me every single day. So just want to let you know, more to come. Peace.